So that's what in my bag. The uniform and stockings. You have cabin shoes, which we change after we go on board. Regular shoes like the layover to go out or to go to the buffet. And here I have my dress. I prefer to wear one piece, a long maxi. So that's the dress thing. It's easy to wear and then remove it. It goes with any climate. If it's winter, I'll wear some thick pants inside, or if it's summer, I just wear just the dress. And this is a cardigan, in-flight cardigan. Winters, it's normally the aircraft is always cold, so we are allowed to wear cardigans in the cabin, and even when we travel as passengers. This is my night dress. It's a one-piece dress again. It's a kaftan, kind of wild print. Now I'm not liking this, however I have it now, I cannot change it. This is the shawl, almost my age. It's my mother's shawl. She got it when from her office, I believe. I'm not sure where she bought it or she got it. It's almost my age, almost 33 years. And from my mother, my sister stole it, and from my sister, I stole it. This is my underwears here, the slim fit and the belt, hip belt, and all my underwears, which we wear underneath the uniform. And this is a fresh pieces, so when I go to layover, I change into the old one. The new ones I wear, and then the old ones I put it inside, give it for washing with the bag. It goes perfect for me. Same goes for uniform. I give it with the laundry bag. Sometimes I give the uniform just like that. And this is the book I'm reading right now, from the author Shiva Shankari, one of the best Tamil authors I've read. She's very modern and her thoughts are really amazing. There's a combination of her weekly, what she wrote in the Anand Vigadan in 1980s, I believe. I'm halfway through. My sister also wants this book. I'm almost in the page. Well, let's see. Almost the page of 180, I believe. Yeah. You can see there are foldings, little foldings here. I like to fold my paper books, not looking for bookmarks. This way I like it. So yes, I'm yet to start from here. I'll hopefully finish it and give a review. Okay, and then here is the BA tubes. I usually have pouch for it. Since the COVID, we did not do BA now regularly, so I don't have pouch. I lost it somewhere. That was a cute one, and for the time being, I'm using the in-flight cash pouch. It's a used one, so torn one, so it's okay. And I have my reading glass. It normally goes in the front zip, or but we don't wear it in the flight, right? We're not allowed to. I'll be wearing a lens, so this goes for the layover. It has nice shades in it. This is from Lenscart. My makeup pouch, it's in the jute bag. That goes for a different video, guys. And the panty liner, must for any woman who have a lot of white discharge, because we give uniform underwears and all for a wash, right? So that keeps it clean. The underwears, deos must. Again, I love wearing these. This is nice. It works for me. People say it's harmful and all, but it works for me. This is my little first aid kit on board Indigo Unibic cookie boxes. I got it on my dead-ending flight, but it has all the first aid like band-aid, medicine for me, for my personal use. So here I have
Sri Vishnu Sarasara Vishnu Sarasranama Stotram. I haven't read
it, but it has Perumal picture, so I got it. And Kandasashti Kavasam, I'm very through with it. I have a smaller one in my purse. I keep it always. I keep reading when I travel, bus, auto and all, sometimes to avoid phone. And this is some document I'm yet to read it, from in-flight joining procedures. So I have it. Behind there is the scarf, and this one has my tea pouches, tea bags. So the front zip has perfume, and a small body lotion, which is handy. And first up, this is my recent flavor. Need it when I go for online. And then the circular file and the quick manual, which is not for you guys. Once you join, maybe you need it. That's all. They'll say. Yeah. And here you have the lead folder and the hat. Sometimes in layover, the airport standby, I take my water bottle. It's a glass. That's about it, guys.